Hey guys, so it's Winnie from Stakecito, and today I have some super exciting news to share with you all. And this is that Stakecito is joining Nillion as a validator. But that's not all. I would also like to announce that we are very pleased to be participating in the Nillion Network as investors. So yes, you heard right, Stakecito has also invested in the Nillion Network, and so we are super aligned and excited to begin supporting and securing their network. So what is Nillion? You're probably wondering. Nillion is an innovative project that leverages the Cosmos SDK by bringing blind computation to blockchains, paving the way for developers, users, and decentralized applications to leverage high-value data with enhanced security and privacy. I actually read the whole Nillion white paper several months ago, and so it's so funny how the world works because now we're going to be validators of their network. And when I went down this rabbit hole, I was not even working at Stakecito at the time, so super pumped to be supporting them. And yeah, basically a week ago, they launched phase 1 of their incentivized testnet, and they are calling this testnet the Genesis Incentivized Sprint. This is phase 1. There will be 4, and it basically consists of a 4-week sprint where the community helps to load test the network before phase 2. So here's what you can do in phase 1. You can create a Keplr wallet, you can set up your Nillion wallet, you can transfer testnet tokens, you can stake tokens with your validator of choice, hopefully Stakecito. You can test on-chain community governance, and you can download the Nillion SDK if you are a developer. So we're not going to be doing the developer side of things where you download the SDK, but we will be covering the other 3. Please note, this is an incentivized testnet, so your participation will be rewarded. The Nillion team is a very top-notch team, is why I went down the rabbit hole that I went down a couple weeks ago. And yeah, basically they've got founding engineers from Uber, they've got people from Nike, they've got people from a lot of really solid projects. So now I'm going to walk you through the incentivized testnet activities. First, you're going to want to get Keplr. You'll go to the Google Chrome store. In the search bar, you're going to type Keplr, and then you're going to add the Keplr extension to Chrome. You can see that when I search for Keplr, I've already installed Keplr, so I'm going to skip all of the steps for installing Keplr, but it's pretty straightforward once you're in here. Once you do that, you're going to want to pin your Keplr extension to Chrome just to make it easier to navigate the testnet. And yes, once you've installed Keplr, you're going to want to click on Create a New Wallet. Once you click on Create a New Wallet, you will get 2 options to do it using our recovery phrase or to sign up with Google. It's up to you what you choose. And now you're in. Next, you're going to want to click on the Keplr extension. Once you click on the extension, you're going to see a hamburger menu on the top left of your screen. You want to click on that menu, scroll all the way down to add more chains. Click on add more chains. This will then take you to chains.keplr.app. Here you want to search for Nillion Testnet, and then you want to click on add to Keplr. Once you do that, you're going to receive a pop-up asking you to add Nillion Testnet to Keplr. You simply want to click on Approve. Once you've done that, you're going to go back again to the Keplr extension, click on that menu again, but this time go to Manage Chain Visibility. And here you're going to search for Nillion Testnet. You will now see Nillion Testnet in the list of chains. You want to click on it and then press Save. Now, when you click on the extension and you scroll down the list of assets, you can see that Nillion Testnet has officially been added to your wallet. Now you can begin to interact with it. So next, we are going to go to the Faucet to get us some Nillion Testnet tokens. So you're going to want to go to faucet.testnet.nillion.com. Once you're here, you're going to click on Start. Once you click on Start, you're going to see a field that asks for your Nillion wallet address. So you'll go on to Keplr copy your Nillion address and paste it into the testnet faucet. You're then going to confirm that you're not a robot and click on Continue. Done. Your requested tokens should have arrived at your provided address. And if you check on Keplr, you will find that you have received 0.01 tokens. It's important to note that they do say after 24 hours, you can request for more tokens. So in my balance, you'll see that I have a bit more than 0.01. It's simply because I had requested for more tokens. Now, when you go into Keplr, you can see that the balance has in fact been added. So next, we're going to transact with Nillion. You're going to click on your asset in Keplr, and here you will see the button Send. You're going to press Send, and it will bring you to a new screen where it asks for a wallet address to send to and the amount that you want to send. You will fill in these forms and then click on Next. And you can see the transaction has been successful. So now you've created a new wallet, you've acquired Nillion tokens, you've sent a Nillion transaction, and finally, we're going to do some staking with a validator of your choice and governance participation. So I will share the link that you want to go to participate in staking in this video description. And essentially, once you're on this page, it is the Keplr dashboard. You can also use Leap. You want to scroll down through the list of validators to identify the validator that you want to delegate your Nillion to. I'm making this video for Stakecito, so obviously I'm going to be delegating to Stakecito, but also we would really appreciate your support in the testnet and come mainnet, so come stake with us. And so essentially, once you find Stakecito on this list, you want to click on their name and then click on stake and then enter the amount that you want to delegate to Stakecito and then click on stake, click on approve, and transaction successful. You have now staked with Stakecito. Now, if you scroll to the top of this page, you're going to see the staking tab and the governance tab. If you want to participate in voting on proposals, you would go to the governance tab. And once you click on governance, you can see 2 proposals that have already been voted on. So unfortunately, we cannot vote on them. But if you click on each proposal, you can see how people voted. You can see the voter turnout. And this is where you would go typically to vote on proposals. So yeah, this is pretty much Nillion's Incentivized Testnet Phase 1. And that should put you in a pretty good position to qualify for whatever incentives that they will have for their community. I'm going to wrap this video up with a TLDR from the Nillion team. They're calling this the NIL pill, or essentially the project's explainer video. And with that, have a good one, and looking forward to interact with all of you on the Nillion Network. Bye for now.
In the not-so-distant future, our deepest, most personal data will power AI models. As these models evolve, they could replicate your very essence. This isn't just about losing data, it's about losing yourself. Modern encryption has a problem. It can't allow for encrypted data to be computed securely. That's why builders from Uber, Coinbase, Google, Consensus, Polygon, Amazon, Nike, and Hedera spent 3 years building Nillion, humanity's first blind computer. This means your most personal information can be used to power AI, make decisions, and provide services, all without compromising your privacy. As we stand at the threshold of a data renaissance, our sensitive data needs protection for our digital world. Join this fight. If we build this together, we take back our power. We take back control. We build a world where your intimate data is yours and yours alone.